Welcome to the redesigned ABFM website. Let's look at some of the latest improvements and features of the ABFM website designed to help you find the information you need quickly and efficiently. As you scroll, you will find the most recent and relevant information affecting family physicians. You will notice throughout the website there are often quick links at the bottom of each page to help you navigate between sections. You may also use the General Search feature located in the top right corner of the home page, just below the My ABFM Portfolio button for quicker access. At the top of the home page, you may learn more about the value of certification. If you're a patient, you can learn about the importance of choosing an ABFM board-certified physician. If you are looking for a family physician who is board-certified, click the blue button to access the Find a Physician directory. If you're a credentialer, you may verify a physician's certification here. Click on the About section to learn more about our organization and the work we do. If you need additional help, the Get Help tab will access our chat function and provide contact information for ABFM's support center. If you are a family physician and need to access your My ABFM portfolio, click the orange My ABFM Portfolio button in the top right corner. The second or main level navigation directly relates to board certification, research, news, and insights. If you are interested in learning about what's required to become board certified, click the Become Certified section. Here you will find information about initial training requirements, resident resources, the resident certification entry process, and other pathways to family medicine certification. To learn more about the general requirements for maintaining board certification, visit the Continue Certification section. If you are already board certified, we encourage you to log in to your My ABFM portfolio for your specific requirements. The Added Qualifications section is for family physicians interested in expanding their certification to include topics such as adolescent medicine, geriatric medicine, pain medicine, and several other subspecialties. To learn more about ABFM's research efforts to support the evaluation and validity of certification, as well as the advancement of the scientific basis of family medicine and primary care, visit the Research section. You can learn about featured work, the Visiting Scholars Program, and more. Check out the Research Library if you are looking for a specific research article or just want to browse our published research. If you want to stay up to date on the latest certification news, the News and Insights section is for you. Visitors now have the ability to filter and search news content and browse blog articles to learn how board-certified physicians are improving healthcare in their communities. Finally, if you're looking for general policies or would like to provide feedback on the website, the quick links in the footer section of every page is available to you. We hope you enjoy ABFM's redesigned public website, and we welcome your feedback as we continue to improve your website experience.